Installation instructions for SoundPly bayonet clips. You will need a screw gun and clip screws specific to your chosen mounting substrate. If at any point the shop drawings differ from this video, follow the shop drawings. Ensure that the ceiling is level and has ample blocking for plank installation. Identify the direction in which the ceiling planks need to be installed. To ensure a straight starting row of planks, use a laser level or chalk line when installing the first row of perimeter clips. On the starting wall, place perimeter clips 24 inches apart and within at least 6 inches of plank ends, using 2 screws in each clip. Slide the first row of planks onto the prongs of the perimeter clips, making sure they're fully seated on the clips. Next, install bayonet clips onto the first row of planks. This can be done either prior to mounting the plank or after it's been mounted on the starting perimeter clips. Secure using 2 screws on all bayonet clips. This video shows pre-installed bayonet clips prior to mounting. Install spacers where any plank end will rest to ensure consistent reveal. Install the next row of planks. Please note, if planks have staggered reveals or ends that butt together, both planks can share the same clip by using 1 prong each. Do not install a shared bayonet clip until the adjacent planks have been installed. Repeat the process of installing planks, bayonet clips, and rubber spacers. Before installing the final row of planks, install perimeter clips approximately 3/8 inch larger than the width of the planks to ensure enough space for final plank installation. Unlike the perimeter clips installed on the starting wall, lightly screw in the end wall's perimeter clips using a single screw in the middle channel. Install the final row of planks by first impaling on the perimeter clips, then sliding the plank back onto the bayonet clips. Using either your hands or a flathead screwdriver, make sure the last row of end perimeter clips are seated firmly in the plank. For more information, contact Navy Island at 651-451-4454.